everybody, this is Becky Bungham, and I want to show you one of my favorite websites that I use in my classroom. I teach early childhood special education, so primarily I have 3, 4, 5-year-old students in my room. This is called Starfall. You can go to it at starfall.com. It defaults to more starfall.com, but Starfall, it'll still take you there. This is the free version of the app, or the website, excuse me, and I love the free version. There are some memberships that you can get, but honestly, the free version works just as well. If you go over to how to join, I'll kind of go over what the prices are. So you can see a home membership is $35, a teacher membership is $70. Classroom is $150, and the school membership is $270, and I think they're pretty pricey, and I'm not sure I will pay to use it, but it's up to you. So go back to the main menu, and you can see that there are lots of different choices on what you can do. I usually put this up on my smart board, and I let the kids play with it because it's very interactive. My favorite is the ABCs. So I'll click on ABCs, and it has all the different letters, and I usually pick the letter that I'm working on the week, or if we're doing something specific, like we're learning about, I don't know, apple, I'll pick A. And this happens. It says A. And it has audio to go with it. I'm not sure if that's showing up on this video, but it just constantly, it reinforces A. So here, as it's all sparkly, it encourages the child to click on it. So they touch it on the smart board and see if they forget, the little hand shows them what to do. So I'll click on it. Say apple. So it's just constant A, and the things that start with A, apple. And when it's time to go on to the next page, they click the green circle, and they go on. Alligator, touch the A, alligator. So, in the green circle. And I'll click out of it because they're all kind of long. That was A. They're all different. Here's an S. Let's try the S. And again, it'll say S, and it goes the sound of the letter. And I click on the green circle, S for snake. So anywho, this is what I do quite frequently in my classroom. Or I'll open it up during center choice and let them play with that. I also do these down here, the calendar. So I have an interactive calendar, and it says June 2018. I'll go into green circle. It tells us the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I say that with the kids. We repeat it with the computer, and then I have a student come up and they click on Sunday, and the computer says Sunday. Today is Sunday, June 24th, 2018. And I would then go into counting. We would count each and every square until we got to 24 to start. So we kind of get our counting skills going there. This part I don't really care for. You have to drag the box over. And I have the trouble with that on my smart board. I don't know if the kids don't push hard enough on it or if my smart board is off, but it never works for me. Heads up on that. These are little pictures you can put in. If it's somebody's birthday, you can put it in, but it's an option. You don't have to do it. And these are the calendar borders, whichever one you'd like. The rainbow, the girl, baseball, it doesn't matter. Just kind of decorates it a little bit. And hooray, and it's all done. So, whoops. Now, I primarily use this for preschool, but it does have other options for kindergarten, first grade, and these are over here. I think that more of the free stuff is preschool age, and to get more content for the older grades, it will cost money. kind of gives you a sample of what you can do. So here's one for the numbers. I'm going to try number 1. And I'll draw 1. It says 1, and then you have to click on it. And that little girl said 1. So it's a lot of visual and words that go along with it.